Hi class, welcome to our next installment of getting Flappy Bird written. Currently we are drawing 20 pipes and we are flying through those 20 pipes. I would like to make the pipe field feel a little more infinite, so while that loads, I'm going to, instead of creating 20 pipes, I want to go back to setting up 1,000 pipes. If a player can get past 1,000 pipes, then they're good to go. So we're just going to change that to 1,000. Now the problem with that is right now we can see that it's moving pretty at a pretty good rate. When we're drawing 1,000 pipes, all of a sudden it just slows to a crawl because we're drawing way too many pipes. And really, we don't need to draw 1,000 pipes. We could just draw the 3 that are on the screen right now, or 3 that are on the screen, and then in a minute there'll be might be 4 or 5 that are on the screen. So we're going to fix that so we're only drawing what's on the screen rather than 1,000 because this is unacceptably slow. So we're going to go back into the JavaScript, and in draw all pipes, we're saying let's draw from pipe 0 all the way to pipe position.length. We don't really want to do that. What we want to do is we want to draw, we've got this pipe gap here, so we can see what pipe we're on. We also have a camera pan. So if I times pipe gap plus 600, if that is greater than camera pan, we want to draw. So if we solve for I, and so we can actually just set that equal to, and we can solve for I by subtracting 600 and then dividing by pipe gap. And so if we put that here, leave that in the comments, and we'll make a variable called start I, and then we're going to have I start not at 0 but at start I. And then we are going to go to, and what we're just going to do is let's draw 5 pipes or 6 pipes. So we're going to start I up to 6 pipes. If you have a really long screen, it's going to not work out, but for now I think this is a completely acceptable solution. So let's see if this works. And I expect there to be a few, looks like there's more than a few errors. So on line 22 I have a mistake. What's that? Unexpected identifier. Var start I equals, camera pan minus 600. I got my explanation kind of gotten into the formula. Let's try this again. Oh, and then everything disappeared. Oh, and it popped on real quick. So what's happening here? Okay, so it's popping on real fast on occasion. So I'm going to take out the minus 600 and see what that does. Oh, and it still disappears. And I shouldn't have even closed that. So I'm going to say, okay, sol.log the start I. Open that tab that I just closed. And so we've got 0. And then what's going on? just check this out here. Start I. It's looking. Oh, you know what? Start I is going to be a fraction here, and we don't want to start it as a fraction. We're going to say start I equals math dot floor. So math dot floor will round start I down. Start I. And I think it's we were having a problem with I not being an integer. Okay, and so now it's drawing. I've got this bird who's being a little dumb. Now, what we see happening at this point is it's disappearing a little bit early. So we can just come back to the JavaScript, and you know what? We'll just say -1, and then start I. If start I is less than 0, and start I equals 0. And so now it's moving pretty quickly, and it's going to feel near infinite. I mean, 1,000 is not close to infinity, but oh, it's actually still disappearing a little early. You know what? We can just do -2. And then we'll have it go to 7. So we're drawing a few more pipes on the screen. And I don't like using those constants, but for speed right now, we're just going to do it that way. So that's getting our pipes to go infinite. It's still disappearing a little. Yep, let's do -3. Actually, we're going to do this. -3 start I equals 0. -3 is needed. Okay, I think we're good on that. And in the next video, we will be drawing backgrounds that will be scrolling at a different rate. Thank you.